So this is a 2019 Alfa Romeo. What is it? Ghoul or whatever it's called. Yeah, I think it's like the Giulia or something like that. 2019. I'm doing the rear brake pads. It's a pretty simple procedure. I wasn't gonna make a video on it, but I decided why not. To remove the brake caliper bracket, to remove that and free up the pads, you have these two sets of Torx heads. It's a T47 Torx. You will loosen up the T47 here, and there's another one below it. You loosen those up. And I had these little caps that go right here. You just pop those out. You don't have to screw them, you just pop them out through like so. It'll come through the other side. I like to put a screw sensor that's right on the back. It's connected with this wire that comes right off of the brake pad. So you don't have to go get a new wire. It already comes with your new brake pad. So you just unsnap this tab here, unsnap it, and it'll pop right out. Very easy. And it's on the slider that's attached to the caliper. You just slide that off. Real easy. For this next part, I actually just attached two zip ties together. So when I take the caliper off, I can mount it up to the springs. So I just got a zip tie, attached two of them together, and just propped it up so I don't have it dangling. I'm gonna get my C-clamp. There's a safe way to do this without having the tool. So if you don't have the official tool like the spreader, I have a way I'm gonna show you. It can work with a C-clamp. So you wanna grab something soft to put it on the plastic, because you don't want the C-clamp just, all the pressure going through the C-clamp to that plastic, because you don't want to damage anything. As you can see, it is going down with like minimal pressure. We're not damaging anything, just be careful. On just as such. And this goes through this. It goes through the hole. The wire goes through the hole once you actually put the bracket on. Move that zip tie, feed it through. And plug it back up. Literally everything is in reverse order. So those two bolts that you took out, put them back in here, boom, boom. Put it at the bottom, and then your clip, you secure it in the exact way you took it out. Snug and tight, snug, snug. So now you just take your pin, hook it into the holes first. That's rear brake pads on a 2019 Alfa Romeo. It's pretty easy. Get your grommet back in there. Pretty easy, self-explanatory, nothing hard about it. It's a 2019 Alfa Romeo. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, questions, anything, just hit me up. And see you guys next time. Peace.